Hi guys, so today we'll be shifting vertically. So first thing is we're going to begin the step-by-step example. So when you look at this curve down here, what do you see? It's not straight, so it's definitely not linear. So you just choose the shape of your curve, which is that. Then if it's not linear, because linear is straight, then it has to be quadratic. And then the curve on the graph, f of x equals x is a linear representation of the equation, and then f of x equals x to the power 2 is a quadratic basic equation because it has the exponent or squared. So to edit the graphical curve, it says display, always read over here. So using the graph, find a difference between the current function and the final transformed function of f of x. So you're trying to get the blue one, this blue one over here to this purple one. So so it looks like I have to shift up by 1, 2, 3, 4. So you click shift up, and then you enter in 4. Then to write this equation, you have to write plus 4. Because it's on the outside of the parentheses, so you don't need parentheses. And now it's one curve, so yes. And then you're ready to go to the problem. So the first one, it says using the linear function. So I click. Then you click f of x equals x because a linear function doesn't have an exponent. And then the curve is straight. And then to edit, it says over here, it says using the linear function as the basic function, create the transform function obtained by shifting up 3 units. So I click shift up, then I enter in 3, and then I do plus 3. And that's all there is to it. And I always make sure to check that my line is one line, not two lines, not two lines, because then you still have more steps. And then I'll do one more problem. You'll do the shifting down. Okay, so this one is there's no graph, so if we have to use this equation that they've given us. So this equation is stating that has an exponent, so we know that our basic equation is this, x to the power 2, and then we know that x to the power 2 means it's a quadratic, and then the curve is like a bowl or a hill because it is not linear. So then you can see that it's minus 6 over here. So that means I have to shift down because it's subtracting. So then you click in 6. You don't have to write the negative because you're shifting down. So just enter in minus 6. And then again, it's one line, so I know it's the end of all my questions and stuff. So I hope this video helped you, and yeah.